Hello, energy prices have fallen this week, so let's have a look what's been happening in some more detail. Front month Brent closed back below the $50 per barrel mark on Monday, losing 85 cents per barrel. And although there remains a possibility of a freeze deal, market participants suggested that if production freezes at the current high levels, it would be ineffective to reduce the oil glut. As a result, prices eased. Prices continued to soften on Tuesday and Wednesday. A bearish EIA report pressured prices lower as the report showed an increase in stocks of 2.5 million barrels compared to the previous week. Inventories remain at historically high levels for this time of year. Brent continued to ease on Thursday due to ongoing concerns about global oil supply. Front-month Brent closed last night at $49.48 per barrel, down $1.19 per barrel compared to last Friday. Despite the system being oversupplied on Monday, prompt prices rose as gas demand from the power sector increased. The bullish prompt filtered through onto the very near term, however all contracts from November onwards fell sharply. An announcement by Centrica which suggested withdrawals from rough storage could be made from the 1st November, and this eased supply concerns for the coming winter. It was originally anticipated that withdrawals would cease until March-April time next year. Winter 2017 lost 0.9 pence per therm day on day. Prices closed flat on Tuesday. A healthy system, stronger pound to euro ratio and softening oil prices all directed gas prices lower on Wednesday. Most contracts lost between 0.7 and 1.3 pence per therm day on day. Prices then reversed some of Wednesday's losses on Thursday as imports through Langeled were reduced thanks to a number of unplanned outages. The pound also depreciated against the euro, which added some support to prices. Last night, all longer dated contracts closed lower than last Friday. Summer 17 lost a penny a therm, whilst winter 17 lost 1.4 pence per therm. A weak renewable outlook pressured prompt and near-term contracts higher on Monday, whilst longer dated contracts closed the session lower, taking direction from falling gas prices. Most contracts then closed flat on Tuesday, in line with their gas counterparts. Wednesday's session saw prices fall. A rise in renewable generation, falling gas and oil prices, as well as a strengthening pound, all contributed to the day's losses. Prices then edged higher on Thursday after a late rally in prices, taking direction from a weaker pound to euro exchange rate. Last night, all curve contracts closed lower than last Friday, with summer 17 losing £0.65 per megawatt hour. You can download the full version of this report from the Energy Price Information tab on our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.